Israel celebrated its 77th Independence Day with a ceremony in Jerusalem, where the nation publicly recognized Mossad agents linked to a deadly 2024 operation targeting Hezbollah's communication network in Lebanon. The operation, executed on September 17, 2024, saw thousands of pages, used primarily by Hezbollah members, detonate simultaneously across Lebanon. A day later, walkie-talkies also exploded, some during funerals for those killed in the initial blasts. Reports indicate the attacks killed at least 39 people, including Hezbollah operatives and civilians, and injured nearly 3,000 others. The strikes disrupted Hezbollah's operations, targeting devices the group used to evade surveillance. According to sources, the operation was a decade in the making. Mossad, Israel's intelligence agency, allegedly planted explosives in 5,000 pages and 16,000 walkie-talkies sold to Hezbollah through shell companies posing as a Taiwanese firm, Gold Apollo. The devices were designed to detonate remotely with carefully calibrated explosives.
September 17, 2024 will be forever celebrated in Israel. In a single moment, thousands of pager devices exploded in villages controlled by Hezbollah terrorists in Lebanon. It was a defining moment that broke the enemy's morale and strengthened its defiance, and was a dramatic turning point in the campaign in the northern sector. At the end of this ceremony, an entire nation seeks to salute 3 mysterious Mossad agents and thank them and their friends in the organization.
3 unidentified agents were honored, stepping forward to light a ceremonial candle. Their identities remained secret, but their actions were hailed as a strategic blow to Hezbollah, though the operation drew controversy for civilian casualties, including children. The pager and walkie-talkie attacks sparked global debate. Some praised Israel's tactical precision, while others condemned the operation as indiscriminate, citing the civilian toll. Hezbollah, backed by Iran, called it a terrorist act, vowing retaliation. Analysts say that the operation's success, they said, was about sending a message as much as inflicting damage. The 2024 pager strike remains a flashpoint, celebrated by some, criticized by others, and a stark reminder of the region's volatile conflicts